Just a short video to show you how to restore sunken recessed lettering and components when the lettering is either discoloured or gone. So from that to that, you'll need some hard wax, some modeller's enamel, WD-40, some rags and a little bit of sponge. So what we do, you get the sponge, just put a small amount of the wax on it and rub it over the top of where you want to put the paint. I've already done this one, so I'll show you. Wait for that to dry. What you need to do now is use the enamel and fill up the lettering. Make sure that all the lettering and whatever is recessed is full of paint. Now if you get your rag, some WD-40, and all you're going to do is wipe away the paint off the surface. What you end up with is that, because you've waxed it, once it's dry, you're able to buff the wax and it will remove any bits of paint that are on top, leaving you with a finished item. So that's all three done. As you can see, comes out very well. I hope that helps.